Today on Inside Pico's Kitchen, I'm making my mother's recipe for beef stroganoff. This traditional Russian dish is a rich but delicious plate of comfort food on a cold night. Begin by slicing a medium-sized onion. Then chop up 2 cups of your favorite mushrooms. Here we have round steak. Since this beef is going to braise for a long time, you don't need a fancy cut of meat. Slice it into thin strips so it'll take less time to cook. Melt half a stick of butter in a large skillet. Then saute the onion and mushrooms. When they are golden brown, remove them from the skillet and reserve them for later. Then place another half a stick of butter in the pan and brown your meat. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of dry mustard. Cover the meat with 2 cups of low-sodium beef broth. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and mix. Bring to a simmer and cover, letting the meat braise for 45 minutes. Once the meat is tender, it's time for final assembly. Add a half cup of water combined with 2 tablespoons of flour to thicken the sauce. Place your sauteed mushrooms and onion back in the skillet. Stir in 1½ cups of sour cream and you are ready to serve. I like my stroganoff on top of buttered egg noodles, but you can use rice or even mashed potatoes. And there you have my mom's recipe for beef stroganoff. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and let me know with a comment if you decide to try it for yourself. Please like and follow this channel, stay safe, eat well, and until next time.